Hi everyone, I'm Natalie and I am the co-founder and CEO of Rella, and I'm going to show you how to use Rella for your brand deals. Whether you are a content creator or you're a manager, you can use Rella for more than just content planning, and here's how to use it to manage your brand deals and campaigns. I would go ahead and create a social space specifically for you. I labeled this one content creator, and then I would add a project. You can add projects whether it's based off of months. You can work out of one big project called brand deals. It's completely up to you. It just folders where the brand deals will be stored. Once I'm in my social space, I'm going to customize my statuses for my own personal workflow. Here's what I did: pitch, negotiate, in progress, concept submitted, approved, invoicing. You can make this completely customizable. It's whatever suits you, and you can color code it, hide anything that you don't want to see, and add your own statuses. Rella is more than just a content planner, like we said, so you can even start with the brands that you're pitching. In this pitch column, you can see I have brand one. You can add a task that says when to follow up and the date you need to follow up, and if you have multiple team members like a manager or multiple managers, you can even assign them to tasks. In the notes section, you're able to add their email or any additional notes. And then in the activity section, you can also make sure that you're communicating with your team to make sure that everyone's on top of everything. Once you're ready to move on to the next stage, you can easily drag and drop your post to any other status. If a post is in progress, you can see that you can add the platforms that you're going to be working on. You can upload the brief. You can also add tasks and assign people to them and add dates to it, but also you can save workflows. So if you have very specific workflows for brand deals, you're able to add it to every single post. It's also great to keep track of when previews are due, when you need to get paid by. That way you're never going to miss a late payment and you're always going to be on top of it. Also, when something's in progress, feel free to add your script, your shot list, anything you want in the notes section below. You can upload all of the content within Rella, add the caption, the hashtags. You can add all of your campaign details as well if that's something that you're interested in. And as I'm working on it, I can communicate with my manager. However, when I'm ready to send it off to a brand, I just hit share. Anyone with the link can view, copy link, and then this is what they're going to see. They're going to be able to play the content, download the content, see the caption and the hashtags all in one spot, and they're able to approve the post and give you feedback and leave you comments directly in the activity section themselves, and they don't have to have an account in order to do that. And don't worry, they're not going to see anything that you said with your manager internally, and they're not going to be able to see your tasks either. You'll get notified when the brand responds or when it's been approved, and it gets moved to the approved section. And then when you're ready to invoice, just drag this along to the invoicing section, send your invoice, and you can upload the file directly to Rella. And we also have a calendar view, so you can make sure that you see all of the live dates and task deadlines on the calendar, and you can integrate with Google Calendar as well. That way you can even see all of your deadlines on your Google Calendar. You can make sure that your feed looks good, and if you want to share analytics with a brand, you can go over to your analytics, view all of your analytics and your top posts, and generate an analytics by hitting view reports, add report, select the platforms, hit share, and you can either copy the link or share via email and send it to a brand. Like I said, Rella is for so much more than just scheduling content, and I personally use it as a creator myself for all of my brand deals, and brands love it because it shows a level of professionalism versus sending it via email or just Google Drive, Google Docs, and a bunch of spread out documents. So this is a great place for you and your team to stay aligned, but also to submit it to the brand and keep everything in one spot. When it's ready to be scheduled, we'll notify you, or you can auto post it, and now everything can be in one spot.